Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of turning your Facebook profile into a page. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, sign in or create a new account by tapping the Create New Account button. Once you're on the Facebook main page, locate and tap on your profile icon. Now that you're on your profile page, find the More button, which is indicated by 3 dots next to the Edit Profile button, and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Turn on Professional Mode. Next, select the Turn On option. Choose your default audience and hit the Next button. Then, on the following page, tap the Confirm button at the bottom. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your profile into a page. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching.